Greetings! In this video I'm going to show you how to set up folders in Google Drive specifically for the EDCI 270 class. So I want you to go over here once you're logged into your Google Drive place. Click on New and it gives you options here. So we're going to click on Folder. We're going to name this EDCI 270. This gives us a new folder. Shows up down here in the folders. So what I want to do then is take this folder here and make another folder for the SAE part of my theme for my overall project. So now we have an SAE folder inside of our EDCI 270. So now we can do a file upload. So here's our blog post. We're going to choose to upload that to our EDCI 270. So now it's accessible from my drive. Click on the EDCI 270 folder and we now have our blog post. So that's how you use Google Docs. That way you can access them from anywhere you have internet access to Google. Now I'm going to show you how to share this file with another user. So we can click on this and then up here where it says share, we can type the email address. So just add an email address. You don't have to say anything. And make sure it's a shareable link. So if I want them to edit it, I need to click on Can Edit and then Send. So that's how you send and share and save documents on Google Docs.